Imagine gliding along on your bike, and suddenly an uninvited guest, a flat tire, disrupts your journey. But worry not, a well-equipped repair kit will be your savior. Here's a concise yet detailed guide to swiftly mend that deflated tire. Grab your repair kit and gather the necessary tools. Employ the tire lever to open access to the tire. You don't have to remove the wheel. Use the tool like a can opener and slide it along the frame underneath the casing. Gently pull the tire aside to reveal and locate the hole. Thoroughly sand the area around the hole, eliminating grease residue. Apply the glue generously around the hole and wait about 5 minutes until it is completely dry. Remove the foreign object causing the flat. Attach the air pump, but hold off on inflation. Open the sticker carefully to avoid dirt getting in. Apply a sticker, pressing it firmly into the glue. Give 3 to 4 pushes with the air pump into the tube. Press the tire back into place, ensuring it sits neatly in the rim. Gradually inflate the tire to the recommended 4.0 bar pressure. Congratulations! With precision and efficiency, you've conquered the flat tire. Now get back on your bike and continue your journey with confidence.